little songs.
Big science.
Ooh, I'm hiking.
Oh, hey, Jeff, I'm so happy to see you on the hike. I got us a little snack, and I picked the spot for us to sit. I'll just get it. Oh, no, Jeff, I brought us this chocolate bar, but it melted all over my pocket. What happened?
Well, Paige, I think it might be because you are hotter than chocolate.
Hotter than chocolate?
I'm hotter than chocolate. 98.6 degrees of human heat. I'm hotter than chocolate. And I can melt that sweet, sweet treat you love to eat with my body heat. 'Cause I'm hotter than chocolate. Everything is either a liquid, a gas, or a solid. And solids like chocolate have a melting point at which they turn to liquid. And the melting point of chocolate just so happens to be 93 degrees approximately, which is 5.6 degrees less than me. So I'm hotter than chocolate, as you can plainly see. I've got to be so naturally much hotter than chocolate. 98.6 degrees of human heat. I'm hotter than chocolate. And I can melt that sweet, sweet treat you love to eat with my body heat. 'Cause I'm so completely hotter than chocolate. Is the song almost done? The answer is yes. So it's time for this tongue to clean up the mess. Yes, 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 I must confess, I'm hotter than chocolate. Yummy.